So English learners is talking about you receive an email from Facebook marketing expert in your Yahoo mail, but you're not sure whether it's legit. She provided her first name and it's only an initial, so yes. Okay, so usually these Facebook marketing experts, these are real. These are real people, and usually they are trying to help Facebook advertisers to actually do better. As in, like, they will try to provide some insights in terms of helping you to advertise better on Facebook and all this kind of thing. So yeah, it's actually okay. You guys can go for it because it's just a call. Worst case scenario. I mean, just make sure you don't give any money or whatever, give away your personal data and all that away. As long as they are really helping you to do in the call itself, that's actually no harm can be done in that sense. I'm just thinking, right? So talk to them. Facebook marketing experts are interesting. I wouldn't say they are the best, but they are interesting. Okay, they do have some interesting insights. But then again, you need to look at your campaign. But of course, whatever they actually suggested to you, you make your own judgment whether you want to follow them or not.